here is we got a trash chute cleaning. This one we have a hoist, but we don't have it doesn't fit in this area right here. So what we did was we're roping the spinner all the way down. This is a 36-story trash chute cleaning. So if you can look right here, if you point that towards there, Anthony, in there. So if you see that, what we do is we use that 2x4 to push that all the way towards the middle. And because there's no, we're not able to take the cap off, we're not able to use hot water. So what we're doing is we're doing cold water all the way through the trash chute. But we use a heavy degreaser to get all that sludge off the loosen up the organic material on the trash chute. So what we want to do is make sure that if we are going to be cleaning this without hot water, we at least use a heavy degreaser. Anyways,